We are Guzit. We are a backpacker planner for great stories. That's our tagline. So we are a planner for backpackers to do the whole process of their trip, from inspiration, dreaming, and the planning itself, the trip itself with our mobile app. It's when they are already traveling. The stories they create, the sharing of these stories and experiences, and creating the whole cycle again. These stories will inspire on other people who will become new travelers, and all the cycle is gonna repeat. Lisbon Challenge helped us to focus on a target market, which are backpackers, and this was the best thing that happened in Lisbon Challenge. They changed our minds on how to view the world and how to present ourselves, because it's different the way you talk to business people, business travelers and backpackers and weekend travelers and 2 years travelers. So focusing on one target and communicating to them specifically helps a lot, and that's what Lisbon Challenge did for us. That's Gertrude, she's our mascot. She's impressed with Lisbon Challenge or something. You wanna say something? Yeah. That's it. Okay, thank you, Gertrude.